Keep going.
Look at the camera.
Whoa. Hi. Hi. Look at that belly button.
Look at the camera. Whoosh. Whoosh. Whoosh.
Okay, time to go outside for a sec. Hi, Kaylee. Hi. What you doing? Give me 5. No, give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. Oh, I don't want that. Give me 5. Give me 5. Oh, thank you. Give me 5. Oh, there it goes. You gonna put it in my hand? Thank you. Give me 5. Give me 5. You give me 5? Do you forget how to give me 5? Whoa. Whoa. Give me 5. Uh-oh, you only have 2 more. Give me 5. Oh, give me 5, Nathan. Give me 5. Yeah, give me 5. Uh-oh, hi. Hi. We're gonna go check out the rest of my house. Or apartment.